Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas bath decoration ideas, I will share you. So I hope you should like my videos. So let's start today video. Friends, there are special kind of beauty in a bath made with natural elements, some things that feel both elegant and comforting, and this Christmas bath captures that feeling perfectly. Today I am decorating with a piece that brings together rustic texture, festive colors, and the soft charm of winter greenery. The bath begins with a base of twist, nature and beautiful and imperfect. Every branch add textures, making the bath feel handcrafted and full of warmth. There's something timeless in this nature circle, like a quiet reminder of tradition and home. On one side, I add a list of cheap train pins, the long soft needles, creative movements, and fullness, as if the bath is breathing with the freshness of winter. It feels like the forest has stepped right up to the door, brings its claim cool beauty with it, and the colors of Christmas rich reds and shimmering gold, ironically involved glossy ornaments that catch the light so beautiful. The gold bubbles spark with elegance, with the red ones add warm energy, and the classic holiday cheer together. They create a perfect balance of festive style, tiny berries, and delicate detail fill the gaps, keeping the bath and that extra touch of holiday magic. It's amazing how small accent can transform a simple bath into something truly. When the bath is finally it's not just a decorate the door, it's welcome the season, it's great. Every guest will warm, spark, and the promise of joyful celebration ahead. A bath that turn a doorway into moments of Christmas wonder. And viewers, there's something truly magical about a bath that blend nature with holiday spark, and this one feel like a perfect winter story woven into a circle. Every branch, every moment, every ornament, every details work together to create a warm Christmas welcome. The base is made from nature, brings wild, rustic, beautiful day. I love how each one bends and into the next, creating a timeless shape that feels earthly and handmade. It's carry the charm of